Okay, an update on Kim's bus. We've got the front seats in, or the middle seat, all with the factory flipper. The rear seat, everything mounted as per VW spec. All the appropriate mounting bolts, clamps, etc. Seat belts mounted with the high tensile bolts supplied by Volkswagen. All the brackets in place. Everywhere there's supposed to be a bolt and a clamp, there is a bolt and a clamp. Just looking at the front of the middle seat. Middle seat belts. Sash up to the pillar. Factory mount. Middle lap. Offside lap sash. Again, straight back to the factory mount. With all the appropriate high tensile bolts and spacers. Rear seat exactly the same, with the exception of seatbelt risers required for the sash mount. Again, seatbelts mounted to the factory fixing with the VW high tensile steel bolts. Just moving around to the back. Rear seat held in place again to the factory chassis mount with the Volkswagen high tensile bolts. All as it was meant to be out of the factory. So for all intents and purposes, now an 8-seater with all seats, bolts, seat belts and mounting hardware in place.